can kill it once, but they can't kill it twice. Did you know destruction of the flesh is not the ending to life? Fear not of the Antichrist. Did you know that I exist before the earth? And did you know my eyes are windows to the world? Did you know you can't go as Zion and now wear cherry curse? Can't tell the boys from the curse. Your body's just a field